Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneur Class channel. Today I'm super excited to tell you about the Clickfunnels free 14 days trial. Your golden ticket to building high converting funnel without any tech headache. Whether you are an entrepreneur, coaching, e-commerce seller, the Clickfunnels make it incredibly simple to create funnel that actually convert from landing page to email follow-up. It is all in one marketing software. So imagine you can design stunning funnel, online courses, membership site, etc. in minutes with Clickfunnels drag and drop builder. So ready to give it a try. So start free 14-day trial today. No string attached. Just 14 days to see how Clickfunnels can change the game for your business. So to get started, click the link in the video description to open to this page and click start free trial today. So let's quickly look at the pricing plan of the Clickfunnels. So after the 14 days free trial, so click at the top here, click on pricing. So from the pricing plan here, you can choose your unlimited plan and start your free 14 days trial. So Clickfunnels has two main plan options. You have startup, then we have pro. So you can either pay per month or pay annually. So for monthly plan, the startup costs $97 per month, while the pro costs $297 per month. But for the annual payment, you can save 2 months or save $104 per year for startup, which costs $81 per month, while the pro costs $248 per month instead of $297 per month, and you can save $594 per year. So let's look at what they offer here. Each of these plans has unlimited funnel, unlimited courses, unlimited members, unlimited contact, unlimited pages, and unlimited domains. So the only difference between the two of them is that the startup has only allow 3 brand workspaces and 3 team members, while the pro allow 10 brand workspaces and 10 team members. So if you want to start as a beginner, so I advise you to start with startup plan. And you can click this the start free trial now to get access to the Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your product online, plus funnel to get customers to find you. So to get started, click the link in the below this video to get access to this page and click start free trial. So with Clickfunnels, you can build sales funnels, you can build website. As you can see here, these are the features. You can launch online courses, email marketing, workflows, landing pages, membership site, then global product, A/B testing, plug, customer centered analytic, then Clickfunnels editor, countdown funnel, store funnel, smart checkout, community, API and web hooks, integration with a lot of software, then CRM to manage your contact, appointment, deals, and more. So Clickfunnels is all in one marketing platform to start and grow and then scale your online business. Then you can try it for 14 days for free without any string attached. So click the link below to get access to this page and click start your free trial today. The amazing thing is that after your free trial end, then you can have 30 days money back guarantee. So if at all Clickfunnels charge you for 1 month, then at the end of the month, then if you are not satisfied with the Clickfunnels, then you can request for money back. That means you can use Clickfunnels for 44 days without paying a dime. So this is an opportunity for you to get access to this all-in-one marketing platform to start to grow and then scale up your online business. Don't forget, click the link below to get access to this page where you can start your free trial. So you can start with a startup plan which costs you $97 per month if you are paying monthly, and $81 per month if you are paying annual payment. So you can save 2 months or get I will save $104 per year if you are paying annually. So I hope this video has enlightened you on how to start a Clickfunnels free 14 days trial. Below this video to get access to this page and then click start free trial. Thank you for watching.